Good day, everyone. So today we'll discuss about more about combo charts. How do we make combo charts? Okay. So it's very helpful to use combo chart, and I will show it to you right now today. This is our topic today: how to make combo chart. Okay. So I have here a data from the month from, let's say this is 2015 in 2019, and we have here some month, and then we have here some move cases. Let's say this is a warehouse, and then it has a cost per case. What is the cost per case in pesos, and how many cases were moved? Okay, so this is the data from a given year. So to have a meaningful visualization to this, we'll add here a combo chart. Okay, so first we have to click insert tab, and then let's select a bar chart. Okay, so I have to get the data here. Right click and then select data, and then click add, and then name this data as move cases. Let's see, and then you just have to select this one. Okay, so there, and then you have to edit this one also. Let's make this the month, and then add again, add data again for the cost per case. And then this one, let's name this cost per case. Okay, so now then you have to select all of this and then click OK. Okay, so here was change, and here we have to edit again and make this the month. Yeah, there. So now click the OK. Okay, so we have now here a data, a bar chart data. So we notice that the cost per case here is not noticeable. So we have to make it noticeable. And then okay, so to do that, right click again, and then change chart type. Okay, so we have a recommendation here for combo chart. So here like this one, this one, and then we have here recommendation. Excel was already a recommendation, so I have to choose the second recommendation. Clustered column, line on secondary axis. Okay, so I had to click OK. Okay, there. Now it has meaning now. Okay, and then just have to enlarge this, and then I have to change the design. Let's look at this designs here. Okay. Mm. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Maybe we'll choose this one. This is more compelling design. Okay. So then there. So we notice there is no name for the x-axis, and there's also name for the y-axis here. So we have to add elements of this. But we go to design, and then we have to add the elements. Access titles. Okay, let's say primary. Okay, and then we also had to add the vertical, and then we also had to add a chart title about chart. Okay, so now we have here complete name. Okay, so we had to name this 2019. You can name this 2019 uh, move cases versus cost per case. Okay, so we have now that, and then we had this access title. We had to name this as month, and then right here we name this um, move cases, and then also have to add the here. Okay, so have to secondary. Okay, there. Okay, cost per case. You have to name this cost per case. Okay, so now we have here names for the secondary axis, and then we have here the primary axis, and then this is the vertical axis. So there, we now already have a combo chart. Okay, so what's the name of those? That let's check on this. Uh-huh. It has a combination of clustered column bar chart, and then line on the secondary axis. That's the style of this combo chart. Okay, so we can notice here the movement of the cost per case, and then we will, based on the analysis, you can see here that um, I think there's no pattern in here, but there is a, yeah, there's no pattern here in this data, because, well, actually on the real data we can derive some analysis. Let's say a marketing cost versus the sales cost. Okay, so at least we've shown here how to make a bar chart out of this data, and maybe my initial analysis here is the cost per case is not related to the movement of the cases in the warehouse, let's say, for example, because it has no pattern. See? Hmm? And we can see from here that the cost per case is higher despite of the slow movement of the case. Okay, so you can see here the higher rate of movement of the cases, but it has the lower, it has also the lower cost per case. Okay, so I can derive here that there is no relationship of the cost per case and the move per case. Maybe the relationship of this move per case is based on the fixed cost of the overall holistic uh, cost of a certain warehouse or distribution. Okay, and okay, so that's it for now, and I hope you've learned a lot from this tutorial on how to make a how to derive a combo chart out of this data. Okay, so I hope you can apply this tutorial of mine into your daily routine in life, or if you are using, or if you're always using Excel in your work, then you can try uh, um, based on the data, what you derive from the data, you can try this one to derive an analysis, visualize analysis. Okay, so thank you and goodbye.